What if I told you that the secret to a sharper memory, faster thinking, and even protecting your brain from aging is sitting right in your kitchen? The truth is, what you eat every day has a direct impact on your brain, your focus, your mood, your memory, and even your risk of diseases like Alzheimer's. And today, we're revealing 11 of the most powerful brain-boosting foods that can literally help you think faster, stay focused longer, and keep your brain young for years to come. Make sure you watch until the end, because some of these foods are probably already in your diet, but you're not using them the right way. Let's begin. Blueberries, the brain's natural shield. Blueberries are often called brain berries, and for a very good reason. These small, vibrant fruits are packed with powerful antioxidants, especially flavonoids, which play a crucial role in protecting the brain from oxidative stress. Over time, oxidative damage can weaken brain cells and accelerate aging, leading to memory loss and cognitive decline. By regularly consuming blueberries, you're essentially giving your brain a protective shield that helps keep it sharp, resilient, and functioning at its best. What makes blueberries even more impressive is their ability to improve communication between brain cells. The compounds inside them enhance signaling pathways, which means your brain can process information faster and more efficiently. This can lead to better memory, improved learning ability, and sharper decision-making. Some studies have even shown that people who eat blueberries consistently experience slower brain aging and improved cognitive performance over time. And the best part? Adding blueberries to your diet is incredibly simple. You can enjoy them fresh, frozen, or blended into smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt. Even a small handful a day can deliver noticeable benefits for your brain health. So if you're looking for an easy, natural way to boost your focus, protect your memory, and support long-term brain function, blueberries should definitely be at the top of your list. Fatty fish, fuel for your brain cells. When it comes to true brain fuel, fatty fish sits at the very top of the list. Your brain is made up of nearly 60% fat, and a significant portion of that is omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are loaded with this essential nutrient, which plays a critical role in building and maintaining brain cells. Without enough omega-3s, your brain simply can't function at its full potential, leading to issues with memory, focus, and overall mental performance. What makes fatty fish so powerful is its ability to support both short-term brain function and long-term brain protection. Omega-3 fatty acids help improve communication between brain cells, making your thinking faster and more efficient. At the same time, they reduce inflammation in the brain, one of the key factors linked to cognitive decline and diseases like Alzheimer's. In fact, people who regularly consume fatty fish tend to have better memory, improved concentration, and a significantly lower risk of age-related brain disorders. And incorporating fatty fish into your diet doesn't have to be complicated. Even eating it just 2 to 3 times a week can provide your brain with the nutrients it needs to stay sharp and energized. Whether grilled, baked, or added to salads, fatty fish is one of the simplest and most effective ways to boost your brain power naturally. If you want better focus, stronger memory, and long-term mental clarity, this is one food you definitely don't want to skip. Broccoli, the detox for your brain. Broccoli might seem like a simple vegetable, but when it comes to brain health, it's incredibly powerful. It's loaded with antioxidants and plant compounds that help protect the brain from damage caused by free radicals. Over time, this kind of damage can affect memory, focus, and overall cognitive performance. By including broccoli in your diet, you're giving your brain the protection it needs to stay sharp, clear, and resilient against aging. One of the key nutrients in broccoli is vitamin K, which plays an essential role in brain function. Vitamin K is involved in forming sphingolipids, specialized fats that are densely packed into brain cells and are crucial for maintaining their structure and function. In addition, broccoli contains compounds like sulforaphane, which has been shown to support detoxification processes in the brain and reduce inflammation, both of which are vital for long-term mental clarity and focus. The best part is that broccoli is incredibly versatile and easy to include in your daily meals. Whether steamed, roasted, or added to stir-fries and salads, even small amounts can provide meaningful benefits over time. Making broccoli a regular part of your diet can help support better memory, improved concentration, and overall brain health, making it one of the simplest yet most effective foods you can eat for a sharper mind. Coffee, your focus booster. Coffee is one of the most popular drinks in the world, but beyond the energy boost, it's actually a powerful ally for your brain. The key ingredient in coffee is caffeine, a natural stimulant that directly affects your brain by blocking adenosine, the chemical responsible for making you feel tired. This leads to increased alertness, improved concentration, and faster reaction times. That's why even a single cup of coffee can make you feel more awake, focused, and mentally sharp within minutes. But coffee isn't just about short-term energy. It also provides long-term benefits for brain health. It's rich in antioxidants that help protect brain cells from damage and reduce inflammation. Studies have shown that regular moderate coffee consumption is linked to a lower risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. This means that your daily cup of coffee isn't just helping you get through the day. It may also be protecting your brain for years to come. And the key here is balance. Drinking coffee in moderation, around 1 to 3 cups per day, can provide maximum benefits without unwanted side effects. Choosing black coffee or limiting added sugar is even better for overall health. So if you're looking for a simple, enjoyable way to boost your focus, improve your mood, and support long-term brain function, coffee might already be one of your best daily habits. Nuts, small but powerful brain food. Nuts may be small in size, but when it comes to brain health, they deliver powerful benefits. Packed with healthy fats, antioxidants, and essential nutrients, nuts help protect your brain from damage and support its daily performance. In particular, walnuts stand out because they're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, the same brain-boosting fats found in fatty fish, making them especially beneficial for memory and cognitive function. One of the key nutrients found in nuts is vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect brain cells from oxidative stress. Over time, oxidative damage can lead to cognitive decline and memory issues, but regular consumption of vitamin E-rich foods like almonds, hazelnuts, and sunflower seeds can help slow this process. Nuts also support better blood flow to the brain, ensuring that it receives the oxygen and nutrients it needs to function efficiently. The best part is how easy nuts are to include in your daily routine. A small handful as a snack, added to salads, or mixed into yogurt or oatmeal can go a long way in supporting brain health. Just remember to keep portions moderate, as nuts are calorie-dense. With consistent intake, nuts can help improve focus, enhance memory, and support long-term brain performance, making them one of the simplest and most convenient brain-boosting foods you can enjoy every day. Avocados, healthy fats for mental clarity. Avocados are one of the best foods you can eat for your brain, thanks to their rich content of healthy monounsaturated fats. These fats help support steady blood flow throughout your body, including to your brain, which is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients that keep your mind sharp and focused. When your brain gets the fuel it needs consistently, you'll notice better concentration, improved mental clarity, and more stable energy levels throughout the day. What makes avocados especially powerful is their ability to support long-term brain health. They help reduce bad cholesterol levels and support heart health, which is closely linked to brain function. In addition, avocados are rich in vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that protects brain cells from oxidative damage and aging. They also contain important nutrients like folate and potassium, which contribute to proper nerve function and help regulate blood pressure, a key factor in preventing cognitive decline. The best part is how easy it is to include avocados in your daily diet. You can spread them on toast, add them to salads, blend them into smoothies, or enjoy them on their own with a pinch of salt and lemon. Even half an avocado a day can provide meaningful benefits. If you're looking for a simple, delicious way to boost your brain power, support memory, and stay mentally sharp, avocados are definitely a must-have in your routine. Dark chocolate, a delicious brain booster. Dark chocolate isn't just a treat. It can actually be a powerful food for your brain when consumed the right way. High-quality dark chocolate, especially those with at least 70% cocoa, is packed with flavonoids, caffeine, and antioxidants that support brain function. These compounds help improve blood flow to the brain, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to reach your brain cells, which can enhance focus, alertness, and overall mental performance. One of the most impressive benefits of dark chocolate is its ability to boost mood and cognitive function at the same time. The flavonoids in cocoa have been shown to improve memory and slow down age-related mental decline, while the small amount of caffeine provides a gentle energy boost without the crash. Dark chocolate also stimulates the production of endorphins and serotonin, the feel-good chemicals, which can help reduce stress and improve your overall mental well-being. The key, however, is choosing the right type and consuming it in moderation. A small piece slice of high-quality dark chocolate each day is enough to enjoy its brain-boosting benefits without adding excess sugar. You can enjoy it on its own or combine it with nuts or fruits for an even healthier snack. So if you're looking for a simple and enjoyable way to support your brain health, dark chocolate might just be the smartest indulgence you can make. Eggs, the memory supporter. Eggs are one of the most complete and brain-friendly foods you can include in your diet. They are especially rich in choline, an essential nutrient that plays a key role in producing acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter responsible for memory, learning, and overall brain communication. Without enough choline, your brain may struggle to function efficiently, leading to issues with focus and recall. By including eggs regularly in your meals, you're giving your brain the building blocks it needs to stay sharp and responsive. In addition to choline, eggs are packed with important B vitamins such as B6, B12, and folate. These nutrients help regulate levels of homocysteine, a compound that, when elevated, is linked to cognitive decline and brain disorders. By keeping these levels in check, eggs support long-term brain health and help protect against memory loss as you age. They also provide high-quality protein, which helps maintain steady energy levels and supports overall brain function throughout the day. Another great advantage of eggs is their versatility and ease of preparation. Whether boiled, scrambled, or added to different meals, they can be enjoyed at any time of the day. Starting your morning with eggs can help improve focus, keep you full longer, and provide sustained mental energy. If you're looking for a simple, affordable, and highly effective way to boost your memory and support your brain, eggs are definitely a must-have in your daily routine. Oranges, vitamin C for brain protection. Oranges are a simple yet powerful fruit for brain health, mainly because they're packed with vitamin C. This essential nutrient acts as a strong antioxidant, helping protect brain cells from damage caused by free radicals. Over time, this protection plays a key role in maintaining memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. Vitamin C also supports the production of neurotransmitters, the chemicals your brain uses to communicate. This directly affects how clearly you think, how well you focus, and even your mood. In fact, people with higher vitamin C levels often show better performance in memory and attention tasks. The best part is how easy it is to include oranges in your daily routine. Just one orange a day provides all the vitamin C your body needs. If you're looking for a quick, refreshing way to support your brain and stay mentally sharp, oranges are a perfect choice. Turmeric, the golden anti-inflammatory spice. Turmeric is one of the most powerful healing spices ever discovered. Its active ingredient, curcumin, has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that can reduce joint pain, improve digestion, support heart health, and strengthen the immune system. Curcumin also increases levels of BDNF, a brain hormone that enhances learning, memory, and mental clarity. Turmeric has even been linked to improved mood and reduced anxiety because of its impact on neurotransmitters. To maximize its absorption, pair turmeric with black pepper and healthy fats. Whether added to teas, soups, or curries, turmeric provides deep internal healing that enhances long-term health. Oats, the ultimate heart-healthy energy food. Oats are a top-tier source of fiber, especially beta-glucan, a special type of soluble fiber known to reduce LDL cholesterol, improve digestion, and support stable blood sugar. Oats provide slow-release carbohydrates that keep your energy levels consistent throughout the day, making them one of the best breakfast choices for mental and physical performance. They're also rich in iron, magnesium, zinc, and antioxidants that reduce inflammation and support muscle and nerve function. Whether eaten as oatmeal, added to smoothies, or used in healthy baking, oats help keep your heart strong, your digestion smooth, and your energy steady. Your brain is your most powerful asset, and the choices you make every day, especially what you eat, determine how well it performs, today and in the future. Start adding even a few of these foods into your daily routine, and you'll begin to notice better focus, sharper thinking, and more mental energy. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because on this channel, we help you become the healthiest, strongest, and most energized version of yourself. And remember, a healthy brain starts with what's on your plate.